Alright guys, good day. We are here right now at Dave's Restaurant. And again, it's another episode of our business feature, syempre by Brand Boss. And also, we are so privileged bong kay hindi lang kung sino-sino ang aton nga guest, but the chef itself, no? Chef JV, ari diri subong upod naton and explain niya how Dave Restaurant came to be, ang history, and what are the things that you have to expect when you come here at Costa de Estrella, diri sa may coastal, no? Sa sulod. So, Chef JV, thank you for having us.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, Chef JV, just a quick background siguro for everybody. Dave's Restaurant. I know gapamangkot ang tanan paano ni siya nag-start, what was the inspiration behind this restaurant naman.
Okay. So, good afternoon guys sa mga viewers natin. So, I'm Chef JV. So, thank you so much sir for having me here sa imong episode, and thank you so much for this opportunity na ngagin feature mo kami as one of your content sa imong mga ano. So, way back siguro sa si Dave's Restaurant, kung paano siya na it's because of the siblings from Elena's Cafe. So we know that Elena's Cafe provided a lots of best quality products in terms of mga pastries and sweets and drinks and coffee shop na So it's given, kasi lingko, it's almost 3 years na nga si Elena's Cafe giving the best services from the customers itself, and the same time sa mga outside, sa mga tourists natin and outside from Iloilo City. So we came up from the idea, why is it that we have to open a fine dining restaurant here in the Coastal Road? It's because siguro wala na mo nakita wala pa sing fine dining here here sa Coastal. Kaya hambal namon is mag-excel gid siya. It's one of the dining experience, kasi kung i-elevate lang namon siya gamay. Although we have the neighbors nga, although they have their own version man sa ilang seafoods and everything. So more on siya sa sa ginatawag nga payag siya nga kuno. But here sa amon sa Dave's Restaurant, we can offer the seafoods, the meat, and also kumbaga pang heavy meals gid siya. So it's a complement from this the Elena's Cafe, and then kumbaga one-stop shop lang siya. So may dining ka diri kay Dave's Restaurant, either here mo i-consume ang imong mga drinks, mga pastries and mga cakes mo, or either matransfer ka sa Elena. So isa lang sabi sila, it's because mag-utod lang yun si Elena's and si Dave's Restaurant. So humble ko is that one-stop meal na lang, kayo diri makaon sa heavy, and then pwede mga mag-order na lang sila sa sa drinks and sweets nga kung ano. So kumbaga one of the kind of dining experience here sa Coastal. At the same time, humble is I need to build the name from the restaurant para at least sila ko matatak sa mga mind sa mga Ilonggo here in the Dave's Restaurant, we never use any preservative products. So like for example, MSG Magic Sarap. So wala kami nagagamit, all naturals here at Dave's Restaurant.
So there you have it again. If you are so particular sa imong food nga ginakaon, no MSG, preservative, kadto na kamo sa Dave's Restaurant, what food, chef, are they to expecting nga i-serve ninyo diri? Anong mga specialty ninyo? Anong mga permigid ginakadtoan ka ginakaon sa mga tao diri sa Dave's Restaurant?
Yes, on the Dave's Restaurant, we have the specialty of the house. First is we have affordable steaks. So unlike from the other na mga nag-offer ng steaks, here Dave's Restaurant, very affordable ang amon na steaks. It's only 750 pesos. So makakonsume ka na sa steak, all one meal na siya. So we have also here the tuna came from General Santos City. So we import here the tuna in Iloilo City to share the experience and to share what is the best quality of a tuna in the whole world. It's because known natin is tuna capital of the Philippines is General Santos City. So we bring here the General Santos City to experience sa mga dining natin what is the real taste of the tuna. And also we have here the pork spare ribs and other nga mga native Ilonggos meals na namon diri. It's purely gid siya kumbaga we came out from the example for the sinigang. We use it like example what sinigang is because we use the patuan. So from the native itself here in the Ilonggo, and we always we always ginambag din naman sa mga customers and we have to promote the local farmers here in Iloilo City
Yes.
because they are the one nga siling ko dako gid siya nga impact and dako gid siya nga help here in Iloilo City.
So there you have it, guys. If I were you, you go here to Dave's Restaurant, avail of their foods and products. We will be featuring again more from Chef JV's nga mga ginpang established nga mga restaurants. But Chef, if you could invite ang aton nga viewers to come here, ano ka mag-open nga days and what are the times nga ga-open ka mo?
So, I would like to invite you all guys to visit here at Dave's Restaurant kung gusto niyo get ma-experience on one of a kind of dining experience here at the Coastal. So we provide a lot of dishes na which is we provide the Ilonggo dishes,
Yes.
international dishes nga ma-experience niyo here in the restaurant. So si Dave's Restaurant is open daily at 11 o'clock until 9 p.m. So, from Monday until Sunday.
So there you have it. Biska nasta ka magabihan pa kamo kadto na kamo dire. Thank you very much, Chef. This is not gonna be the last interview natin si Chef. We're gonna be featuring other more. So if you are a business establishment and you want to be featured next, message us below. Thank you gid sa tanan. Nami isang ilading nga staff. Very welcoming, very accommodating. Kanami isang lugar, high ceiling. Damo ta sang ipakita dala sa inyo soon yung mga pictures and videos ang ilang mga lugar and also dalaan nyo na diri lang, lapit lang sa inyo dira, sa inyong mga balay diri sa Iloilo sa Costa Estrella sa Coastal Road, Dave's Restaurant. See you on our next vlog.